What's up, guys? Your boy 82. It's the first time on this channel. Please like and subscribe. So just gonna give you a brief update on the Helium Bobcat miner that I have and the results after switching the antenna to the 4 DBI from 8 DBI to the 4 DBI for the last 5 days. I just put it back in yesterday. Honestly, it wasn't any. The 4 DBI actually it declined in its performance, and I noticed that my 8 DBI was outperforming the 4 DBI. So I went back yesterday and put the 8 DBI back on, so it could continue to earn more than it was with the 4 DBI. I just wanted to experiment it to see. I was just curious to see what the result would be, and as it just wasn't good. The results wasn't the best. Rather than just keeping at a certain level, it actually was declining, and my witnesses dropped as well. I went from having around 190 something to 180, went all the way down to like 113. Then it'll go back up to like 120 something, 130. But without further ado, let me just show you a little bit briefing on that. So in the last, let's put it last 14 days. I started on the 22nd. As you can see, this other one is about 1.99, 1.5, and then after the 22nd, August 22nd, you just see it start going down, declining. So I just made the decision to switch it out yesterday, which was the 26th. So yeah, notice that the 4 DBI didn't do well at all. Yeah, so if you look at over here, these were all the 8 DBIs. Some of them were very low, has something to do with the Helium network. So yes. Alright guys, just a quick update on that. Let's check our witnesses and see. Okay, it's at 128 now. However, it's starting to give up, pick up a bit. Yeah. Alright. Stress less, think positive. Yep. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.